Nah, kalau kita mau giving a reason atau memberikan alasan, there are some expression that we need to use. For example, due to or due to the fact that, owing to or owing to the fact, okay, the fact that. For example, due to and owing to must be followed by a noun. Jadi contohnya, due to the rise in oil prices, the inflation rate rose by 1.25%. And then owing to the demand, we are unable to supply all items within 2 weeks. Nah, kalau misalnya kita mau menambahkan klausa, if you want to follow this word with a clause, a subject, verb atau an object, you must follow the words with the fact that. Jadi yang due to and owing to itu dia cuma pakai noun. Sementara kalau kita mau kata expression ini diikuti dengan klausa, kita harus menambahkan the fact that. Contohnya, due to the fact that oil prices have risen, the inflation rate has gone up by 1.25%. It should be 1.25%. And then the next one, owing to the fact that the workers have gone on strike, the company has been unable to fulfill all its order. Jadi ada perbedaan penggunaannya ya. Satu pakai noun doang, dan yang satu lagi pakai klausa setelah ekspresinya. Expressionnya maksud saya yang due to or due to the fact that. Okay, and then we also have because or because of. Because of is followed by a noun. Because of bad weather, the football match was postponed. Because of the bad weather, the football match was postponed. Dikarenakan oleh bad weather, cuaca buruk, pertandingan sepak bolanya ditunda. Sementara because can be used at the beginning or in the middle of sentence. For example, because it was raining, the match was postponed. And then the second sentence, the second example, we believe in incentive schemes because we want our employees to be more productive. Jadi because di sini dia muncul di tengah. Right. Selain because and because of ini ada since or as. Since or as ini sama artinya dengan because. Since the company is expanding, we need to hire more staff. Atau kita juga bisa bilang, as the company is expanding, we need to hire more staff. Jadi ada tiga di sini linking words yang kita gunakan untuk giving a reason. Due to, owing to, due to the fact that, owing to the fact that, and then because of, because, since, or as. Nah, di sini kita mau melihat dulu. Apakah kalian bisa menemukan cause dalam an effect in this sentence? Oke. Jadi ada satu contohnya di sini. Ada 5 kalimat. Jadi kita mau menemukan yang mana cause, yang mana effect. Oke. For example, Tim forgot his math book, so he was unable to complete his homework. Jadi yang mana kira-kira cause, yang mana kira-kira efeknya? Coba dilihat.
Forgot his math book.
Yang mana? Yang cause-nya, yang mana effect?
Forgot this math book.
Forgot math book.
Tim forgot his math book.
Tim forgot his math book, and then
Evennya unable to complete his homework.
Unable to complete his homework.
Okay, let's see here. Yang pertama, Tim forgot his math book and then he was unable to complete his homework. Yes, that's correct. How about number 2? How about number 2?
Cause if he didn't lunch and then efeknya the Egan was hungry.
Coba yang lainnya, setuju kah? Yang lainnya?
Efeknya his private lunch.
Coba kita lihat ya. Cause-nya yaitu Keegan skipped lunch and then efeknya itu he was hungry. Yes. Okay. How about number 3? Erin's car had a flat tire atau kempes. So she called a tow truck. Yang mana efek, yang mana cause-nya?
Ini kalimatnya beda sama yang di PPT ya?
Yang mana, Mbak?
Yang Miss bacain sekarang itu beda yang sama yang di PPT ya?
Oh, yang di PPT yang ini nggak saya masukkan karena yang ini contoh soalnya.
Oh, pantesan saya nggak connect soalnya saya nggak bisa lihat screen.
Oh, sorry Mbak. Tunggu, saya mau nanya, ini semuanya bisa pada masuk ke kelas nggak tadi ya?
Mbak Sinta biasanya keluar dulu, ntar masuk lagi bisa kelihatan. Coba dulu deh.
Ini Mbak Ani nggak bisa katanya.
Aku juga sering kayak gitu. Keluar dulu terus masuk lagi. Saya tadi udah keluar masuk Mbak, tetap aja.
Iya ya, kenapa ya?
Berarti mungkin sinyal ya. Harus ganti HP itu.
Waduh.
HP gonta-ganti, sinyalnya laptop sama aja. Berarti harus ganti sinyal.
Mungkin sinyal ya, soalnya Mbak ini
cepat ganti HP sekaligus beli power gitu.
Mbak Ani nanya saya.
Enggak, diemposin aja itu.
Apa diumpus?
Diemposin apa? Ya biarkan sinyal alami.
Ini Mbak ketua kelas kita di mana nih? Mbak Siti. Dari tadi belum masuk ya? Okay, let's see number 3. Erin's car had a flat tire, so she called a tow truck. Yang mana ini efeknya? Yang mana cause-nya?
Cause-nya Erin's car had a flat tire.
And then efeknya
she
called a
Tow truck. Oke, kita lihat ya. Cause-nya Erin's car had a flat tire, and then efeknya dia
called a tow truck.
Ya, dia itu menelepon tow truck. Okay, number 4. Gina couldn't find the cookies because Papa hid them in the cupboard. What is hid? Hid itu apa? HID.
Memukul.
Itu hit. Itu HIT, Mbak. Hit itu apa?
Sembunyi.
Menyembunyikan ya. Jadi itu kata kerja bentuk kedua dari hide. Jadi itu yang mana cause-nya, yang mana efeknya?
Find the cookies. And then couldn't find the cookies. Harusnya Papa hid them in the cupboard.
Okay, cause-nya Papa hit them in the cupboard, and then effect-nya?
Intinya Gina
Gina find the
and
cookies.
she
Okay, let's see. Cause-nya, right, Papa hit the cookies in the cupboard, and then effect-nya Gina couldn't find them. That's correct. Oh, no. Last one. Last one. Kelly studied her spelling words and she got an A on the test. Yang mana?
Cause-nya Kelly studied her spelling word. And then effect-nya she got on the test.
Udah kalian lihat kan? Right, cause-nya itu Kelly studied her spelling words, and then effect-nya she got an A on her test.
A on her test.
Alright, what do you think about cause and effect? Is it how to say? Is it easy or difficult? I guess it's easy, right? Okay, how about this one? Fill an effect for each cause below. Jadi ini adalah cause. Ini cause-nya, sebabnya, bukan penyebabnya, cause and effect. Dan kita di sini mau how to say, disuruh untuk mengisi efeknya itu apa untuk cause ini.
Tapi suaranya nggak kejelas. Ini suara TV terlalu
Itu siapa?
banget.
Oke, langsung diam suara TV-nya. Oke, coba we want to fill an effect for each cause below. Jadi di sini ada 11 causes. Ada 11 causes here, and then we want to fill each cause with an effect. Oke, saya panggil ya. Nomor 1 itu Mbak Bella. Nomor 1 Mbak Bella, nomor 2 Mbak Diana. Oke, atau kalian mau pilih, tapi nggak boleh sama. Silakan langsung dibilang nomornya.
Tika nomor 1, Miss.
Oke, Mbak.
Yeah. The children were bored because of quarantine due to this pandemic.
Oke, coba ulang. Nomor berapa tadi? Nomor 1 ya?
Nomor 1.
Wait, Mbak, biar saya ini. Saya mau apa itu namanya? Oke, the children were bored. Apa efeknya? Diulang, Mbak.
I'm wrong, Miss.
Gimana? Gimana sih, Mbak? Ayo, yang lain.
Sintawati, Miss.
Oke.
Nomor 3. Jadi yang dicantumin ini kan cause-nya itu ya, Miss?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, cause-nya, David had failed his exam again because David did not study.
Oke, nomor 3. Wait a second. David did not study. Efeknya?
Efeknya itu he failed the exam again.
He failed. He failed
Yes.
the exam again. Kita menurut Mbak ini perlu pakai ini nggak? Pakai kata penghubung nggak? Linking words yang digunakan apa kira-kira?
Since
David did not study.
Saya pakainya since, Miss.
Since itu karena.
Iya. Jadi karena David tidak belajar, dia gagal lagi dalam ujiannya.
Oke, atau kita bisa dibilang he failed the exam again. Oh, because David did not study. Kan itu tadi kita bilang untuk apa? Untuk show and effect apa ya aja yang kita butuhkan? Ini kan because
Since or as.
Jadi ini tadi David did not study, he failed the exam again. Jadi ini efeknya ya. Okay, how about the others?
Thank you, Miss.
Yes.
Coba nomor 4, Miss.
Okay, number 4.
Our house is old, so it is not easy to sell it with a high price. Artinya rumah kami tua, jadi tidak mudah menjual dengan harga tinggi.
Okay, so it is not easy to sell
it
with high prices. Right. Our house is old, so it's not easy to sell with high prices. Yes. How about the others?
Bella mau jawab.
Oke, yang mana dulu nih, Mbak Bella atau Mbak Zahro?
Mbak Bella dulu coba.
Apa? Zahra dulu.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Bella. Number 7.
Number 7. Okay, wait a second.
The students were quiet because the teacher was yelling.
The student, number 7 ya?
Yeah.
The student
were quiet because the teacher was yelling.
Bisa pakai verb became itu, Mbak, jangan were.
Oh.
The student became
quiet because the teacher was yelling.
Bisa. The students became quiet because, okay, I'm going to make it here. Because, yes, the teacher was yelling. Okay.
So using became or
became juga bisa, Mbak. Became lebih bagus
juga bisa atau
were juga bisa, tapi dia cuma beda pengertiannya aja. Kalau pakai were kan jadi kata statementnya itu udah langsung kayak studentsnya diam karena gurunya yelling. Tapi untuk showing cause and effect-nya lebih bagus pakai became. Jadi dia lebih terlihat kan karena apa gitu. Oke. Yang lainnya.
Thank you, Mbak Sinta.
You're welcome.
Oke, tadi nih nomor 3 Mbak Sinta ya?
Yes, Miss.
Number 4 ini Mbak Junita. And then this one is Mbak Zahro.
Apa nomor 2 ya?
Number 10, Miss.
Oke, wait a second ya. Kita kasih dulu. Number 10. Okay.
Everyone was hungry because there are no food sellers here.
Everyone
was hungry because there are no food sellers.
Feel an effect. Effect-nya itu apa? Everyone was hungry
there are no food seller here.
Because okay, kalau Mbak bilang because there is no sell, so it means that is the cause. Efeknya semua orang kelaparan. Gimana kira?
Coba nomor 2.
Wait. Everyone was hungry
Because there are no food share.
Efek itu sesuatu yang terjadi setelah sesuatu, kan? Ya, bukan? Jadi everyone was hungry. Ini adalah cause-nya, penyebabnya. Kalau misalnya penyebab hungry ini, kira-kira apa efek yang terjadi kalau kita hungry?
We are
Everyone was hungry.
Coba nomor 2, Miss.
Sebentar ya, Mbak. Kita pecahkan dulu yang ini, yang nomor 10. Everyone was hungry. Gimana, ada yang bisa membantu?
Bentar, nomor berapa? Nomor 10 ya?
Nomor 10.
we can set maybe.
Everyone was hungry.
So we can set.
So
Orang lapar.
we can. Everyone was hungry. So we went to
Eat.
eat. Yes, we went to eat out. We can say this one. Oh ya, kita juga bisa pakai so. Okay.
Berarti because salah ya, pakai so ya.
Yes, karena kalau yang because tadi tuh mbaknya bisa bilang itu juga, tapi dia tuh berfungsi sebagai cause-nya. Sementara kita di sini cause-nya udah ada kan. Jadi kita mau mencari efek apa yang terjadi setelah ini. Oke.
Miss,
Yes.
gimana kalau misalnya dengan kalimat I called for delivery because everyone was hungry. I ordered food by delivery because everyone was hungry.
I call Uber.
I call a delivery because everyone
Was hungry.
Yes, bisa. I call a delivery because everyone was hungry. Bisa?
Kalau saya coba tambahkan nomor 10-nya, Miss.
Okay, wait a second, okay. Saya type ini dulu. I call, coba saya bikin an Uber aja ya. Uber Eats because. Oke, coba tadi Mbak Junita. Tadi ini yang pertama kali siapa namanya? Indri.
Oh, nomor 10 Mbak Indri atau Mbak Dina? Indri. Suaranya hampir sama Mbak Indri sama Mbak Dina.
Coba ini tadi siapa lagi tadi, Mbak Junita ya, mau nambahkan ya?
Soalnya entah bisa atau enggak ya. So we need more food to give them. Jadi kita butuh banyak persediaan makanan untuk diberikan.
Everyone was hungry, so
we need more food to give them.
Everyone's so hungry, so we need more food.
More food to give them. Artinya jadi kita butuh banyak persediaan makanan untuk diberikan.
Coba yang teman-teman yang lain, cocok nggak kira-kira?
Setiap orang lapar. Jadi kita butuh banyak persediaan makanan untuk diberikan. Cocok nggak?
Efeknya kalau setiap orang lapar, efeknya?
Iya, kita harus punya persediaan lah.
How about the others?
Efeknya pengen makan, sir. Bagus tau. Efeknya pengen makan kalau lapar.
Everyone was hungry,
So
so we need
we want eat more.
more food.
Mungkin lebih itunya, everyone was hungry, so we need to cook more food. Seperti itu.
We need to
cook more food.
We need to cook more food. Yes, bisa. Tadi juga bisa juga sih. So we need more food. Bisa. Okay.
Nomor 11 coba.
Nomor 11, okay.
Itu kan nomor 11 ya tuh cause crash. Dua mobil hancur.
Crashed, yes. Atau tabrakan.
All the passengers got injury. Atau bahasa Indonesianya, semua penumpang terluka parah.
2 cars crashed.
Dua mobil hancur tuh cause all the
Two cars crashed. 2 mobil tabrakan. Efeknya itu
ya semua penumpang terluka parah.
atau kita bisa bilang
So that if passengers got injury. Kalau pakai itu sih Mas, because we are riding so fast.
We are riding so fast because 2 car crashed, atau 2 car crashed because we are riding too fast. Tapi kalau misalnya di sentence yang barusan saya bilang, 2 car crashnya ini become an effect. Sementara kita mau mencari cause-nya.
Miss,
Yes.
gimana kalau misalnya there is a traffic jam in the highway because of 2 cars crashing?
Okay, there is. Very good. There is
traffic jam.
Okay, kita bisa bilang there is a long traffic jam because of 2 cars crashed. Yes, bisa juga ini. Okay, next one. Coba deh dari nomor 1 kita kerjakan sama-sama. The children were bored. Ini cause-nya. Kira-kira efeknya apa? The children were bored. Anak-anak itu apa, Mbak?
We went to the park.
The children were bored.
So we went to the park.
So they went to park. Right? Atau ada lagi? Coba ada lagi tak? The children were bored.
The children were bored, so their mom took them for shopping.
So their mom
took them
took them